doing a haul as well as a decorate with me. We're going to decorate the dining room area as well as hang our new drapes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this haul. Y'all, Target got it going on. And I'm gonna tell you, if these are some items you want, you better probably order them online. And I think they're doing 20% off your online purchase. So just order online, pick up at the store. $4, regular price $5. I purchased the gold and the silver for my bedroom, and I got my daughter a white one. Her Christmas colors are white, gold, and silver, and she wanted white. So y'all, $4 each, even if you put these all over a Christmas tree. So $4 at Target. I'll leave the link in the description for these. And the other thing I got from Target, so y'all know I'm doing old world theme in here. Look what I found. $15. It lights up. It does take 3 batteries, but let me show you. So it has this little button here, so you can just, baby, put your batteries in. And this lays flat like that because that's where the housing for the batteries are. So you can just place it on your table. We got that. We also got the snowman. $15, 20% off, $12. Got that one. Y'all, I didn't just stop there. They also had the angels. The angels were $15, 20% off, $12. I say run and get this. If you don't get anything else, baby, this angel is so cute for $12, and I didn't just get one. I got 2. So I got 2 angels. This is going on my dining room tablescape, $12. And I did get 2 stars. So you saw that one, I did get 2. I don't know if I'm going to keep the 2 because originally I was going to put it on my tablescape, but I think I'm just going to place one in here to keep it simple since I'm going to be a little busy on my tablescape with my tablescape. So I got that. So I mentioned to y'all that I was going to do the decorative houses on my tablescape. So they had this one. It's a really bright gold. It was $10, I believe. It was $15, so $12 with the 20% off. And it lights up as well. So you see that it requires 3 batteries. Also really, really cute. But this is what really drew me to the area. These houses, and these were $15. They do not light up, but you can put your lighting inside. And it's, how cute is this? Now this is actually the color I'm going for, but these really do work with my space. It brings out more of that bronzy gold look, and this is more of that old world look. And then even with these houses, with this one that I put in my bedroom, I had to put, those little tea lights aren't going to fit in these. So you'll have to use the little twinkle lights if you want to light it up, and I'll show you. I don't know if you can see, yeah, you can see that. So I got this for my bedroom. Now with these, you can actually put the tree lights or tea lights inside. So they had 2 different styles, and of course, I got both of them. Y'all, absolutely gorgeous, and it's going to look really, really cute on my dining room table since I'm going for that theme. I could actually do more of a tablescape. We'll decide as we move over there, just do some place setting, or we can just leave it decorated. So we got 2 of these. One was 15, the other one's 15, of course, and the 20% off, or was it 10 and 10? Whatever it is, I'll link it in the descriptions. So, you know, like I said, you might want to purchase it online, pick it up in the store since they were doing the 20% off. And like I said, this comes off perfect. And if I wanted it to go, if I wanted it to be a little dark, all I gotta do is stain it because it's actually like raw wood, but I like the color that it is. Or you can paint it, depends on what color type you want, but I think this brown wood looks really, really nice. Okay, let's put these. I also picked up this really nice picture frame. It was $5.99 at Home Goods. So that's one thing I purchased from Home Goods, $5.99. And I also picked up this beautiful lantern or hurricane, and it's gorgeous. It was $16.99, and I did get the mama to it, and the mama was $24.99. So I got these two. I didn't just stop there. Since it's Christmas theme, I also picked up this one for $19.99, and this is going on my tablescape. I got those. And of course, with getting all of that, I had to get some candles. So we're going to light up that area, and I picked up this 3-piece. It was $12. Since it has a lot of the pumpkins on it, this is part of the fall for $12, y'all. So couldn't beat that. Regular price was $25. So this was part of that fall clearance. So I say go to Home Goods, anything that has the little fall thing going on, they're marking it down at some of the stores that are overpacked, and they're making room for the Christmas decor. Now I also picked up some Luminara candles. I love these candles because they look so real, so real. Now I do have some I purchased from Amazon and they work, but these right here are gorgeous. So I got a small one and a larger one to go in the hurricanes or the lanterns, if you want to call them that. So we got that. And then I also picked up another one, and this is a Luminara, and this is also part of that fall theme because it has the little what do you call it? It has the little, what are those called? I can't think of what it's called, but this is part of that fall theme, and this was $12, regular $25. So I got one of these, and I'm going to put it in the Christmas lantern, even though it's more of a fall look. Once you put it in here with Christmas, honey, we got a Christmas look. So yeah, that is it. So let's go ahead and do our tablescape. I've already hung the curtains. You'll see that in just a second. And yeah, I think that is it for now. Let's go ahead and decorate the table. So I need to take down these drapes because I partnered with 2 pages on TikTok, and I just need to do a quick little 30-second reel, and I'm just taking these down, and I'm going to replace them with the same ones I had up before, but they're going to be the height or the length that I need. So these were really easy to take down. If you're not familiar with 2 pages, I'll leave a link to these drapes for anyone who's interested. Those were from another brand. So for the video that I'm doing on TikTok, I needed the drapes to already be down. I'm also going to take this opportunity to secure this curtain rod to the wall a little bit better. I actually have 4 drapes to hang on this rod, so I want to make sure it's secure. I do need to bring the ends down a little bit, but I don't have any more of those really good anchor screws. They're actually, I'll show you a picture of those. They're really good. I absolutely love them. They're a metal anchor, and you screw your screw inside of them. So that sits in the wall, and then the screw is secured into the anchor. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this tree topper down. I did get it to go on the other tree. This antique mirror glass looking tree topper I purchased from Home Goods. I shared it in my last video, and I decided to go ahead and put it on this tree. Key to hanging this tree topper is not to put it on the branches, but to set it to the side of the branch and secure it in place using zip ties. And here's a simple clip of the reel that I'm going to use for my TikTok video. Right, so let's move over to the dining room. I am going to go ahead and do the tablescape. And I'm not going to do much talking since I shared majority of the items during the beginning of this video. Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time and dance.
Now that we've completed decorating the dining room table, let's go ahead and do some plate settings. And I'm starting with these chargers. I actually purchased some leather placemats that I was going to use, and I changed my mind. Absolutely love these beautiful warm gold chargers. I either purchased them from Z Gallery or Home Goods, and they are gorgeous, y'all. Also picked up these beautiful geometric plates. I only have 2, y'all, so I'm going to mix them in with some white plates that I got from Dollar Tree. Since I only found 2 of those geometric plates, it's okay to mix and match. A lot of people do that. Some people do all different kinds. And now we're going to add these beautiful geometric salad plates. I do have 8 of these. We're only going to do, of course, place setting for 6 since our end caps are covered. And these beautiful crown napkin rings are perfect for Christmas or Easter, anytime you want to use them. And I originally was going to use just this tan color napkin, and I decided to go with these beautiful, simple holly napkins that I already had. And I'm also going to show you how it looks with the holly napkins as well as the cream color trimmed in gold. Let's put our chairs back in place. I did move them just so we can get a great view of the table. Now we're just putting the last of the napkin rings in place, and this is how the tablescape is looking with the holly napkins, and this is how the tablescape is looking with the cream and gold napkins. And here is a different angle of the space. Absolutely love it. And here is where I place the 2 stars I purchased from Target. Absolutely love these as well, just simple. I placed the amber color vases on the bottom shelf and added some battery operated tea lights so I will still have the effect I wanted. As you can see, I added the gold house to the end table, and I'll add some fairy lights to it later. Absolutely love this. Simple $4. Here's the dining room again with a darker view, y'all, and I absolutely love the way the space turned out. I love the way my new drapes brought that lightness back to the area that I wanted for this upcoming holiday season. And thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. This is video number 4 of my Get Ready With Me Christmas season. I have 5 and 6 already ready, so I'm so excited to share with you all, which will be my bedroom along with the hearth room and kitchen area. Absolutely love this. Thank you all again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas. I'll see you in video number 5.